Hi dear friends, with great pleasure we are announcing that we are opening one more group for improving our spoken skills, spoken English skills. The name of that group is Video Sport. In this Video Sport we can make videos. Already we are making audio messages and text messages, and we are doing different varieties of exercises. But this is a new exercise. Here we are making videos only. We have to understand the importance of videos. When we make videos, we can see our own face, our own way of speaking. It is just like making a public speech in front of a mirror. Usually when we go for a training for public speeches, they advise us that we have to speak in front of a mirror. When we speak in front of a mirror, we can see our movement, we can see our facial expression, everything we can understand, and we can make corrections and modifications. But this video making is more better than speaking in front of a mirror, because when we speak in front of a mirror, we do not get chance to rewind or replay that. But when we make video, we can see our video many times, and we can understand our mistakes and our abilities, everything we can understand. We can understand our improvements already we have made also. Therefore, I request all members to come to this group called Video Sport. And you can make small videos. When you start, you need not make long videos. You can simply make small videos. And here you can speak any subject. You can make public speaking, storytelling, cracking jokes. You can tell a memorable incident. Like that, a long list of items are given in the introduction. You can go to the notice board and you can see the items. And even the items are not given in this list, you can make your own items also. The purpose is to make a video and to check your ability to speak in front of a mic or on an auditorium or in front of a group of people. If you do this practice, it will help you to develop courage and fluency to speak in front of a group or in an auditorium or in front of a mic. So this will give more confidence and courage to speak English also, because our ultimate aim is to speak English without shyness or fear. Therefore, I once again request all members to make small videos and put these videos in this Video Sport WhatsApp group. Thank you.